This is review for the retake for complex sentences. We're going to go over the quiz that people took today or yesterday in class. So if we look at this first one right up here, Carrie and Tom believe in ghosts, but they have never seen one. This is an example of a compound sentence. It's two independent clauses, and there's a comma and the coordinating conjunction. Number two, since I took the test. I took the test, complete idea. Since is a baby-making word, dependent clause, followed by a comma, which is what you would do if the dependent clause comes first, and then an independent clause, a complex sentence. He finally read the book on World War II. His brother bought him for Christmas. His brother bought him that for Christmas is a complete thought. But when you put that, the relative pronoun at the very beginning, it makes this a dependent clause, and so independent plus dependent is a complex sentence. The actors and actresses walked onto the stage at the Lyric Theater in Kansas City. Who walked? Actresses and actors. One verb, sharing two subjects, a simple sentence. Number five, tomato soup is my favorite. It is so smooth and rich. Two independent clauses, but this one has a subordinating conjunction at the beginning. Complex sentence. The lonely man walked slowly to the back of the train. Independent clause. None of us knew. Your verb, who knew? None knew. Whom is your relative pronoun. When a relative pronoun comes at the beginning of an independent clause, it makes it dependent. Notice the dependent clause is in the middle of the independent clause. It is a complex sentence. In the kitchen, Abby worked on a puzzle. She waited for the water to boil. Those are our two independent clauses, but you have the subordinating conjunction as at the beginning of this one, independent plus dependent, complex. We're seeing a pattern here. Graham and Amara arrived at the bus station before noon. They left on the bus before me. Independent clause. Independent clause, separated by a comma. That's a comma splice, which is a form of a run-on sentence. Number nine, who is thought to be a real strong player. This is. Who is who? Who is a relative pronoun. Who is the subject of is, so we have a clause, but it is a dependent clause. And last, a girl in a green dress. There is no verb in here at all, and we know that a clause has to have a verb, thus this is not a clause. We can preview our results, and we see 10 out of 10. All right, please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.